Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube subtitles as text files. There are many reasons someone would want to take the audio from a YouTube video and save it as a text file. It can help with offline viewing, studying, note-taking, and research. Here are the simple steps to do it. Go to your desired YouTube video. Make sure YouTube video has subtitles. Click the three dots below the video. This displays a pop-up menu. Click Open Transcript, it's the second option in the pop-up menu. This opens a transcript of the video in a window to the right of the video. Click and drag from bottom to top or top to bottom to highlight the entire transcript. Right-click the highlighted text in the transcript on YouTube, then click Copy or press Ctrl+C. Then go to your desired text editor and paste the transcript. If you don't want the timestamps to appear next to each line of text in the transcript, you can click the icon with three dots above the window with the transcript to the right. Then click Toggle Timestamps to turn them off. Now you can select and copy the transcript to your desired text editor. This covers how to download YouTube subtitles as text files. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.